Hi friends and yassas. Today we're making mini Greek cheese pies or triangles, affectionately known in Greek as Tiropitakia. Before starting this recipe, it's important that we preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that we line a baking tray with baking or parchment paper. To prepare the cheese mixture, in a large bowl, crumble the feta cheese and add the ricotta and the phyllo cheeses, followed by the beaten eggs. Combine the cheese and eggs until everything is well combined, and then set aside. After preparing the cheese mixture, it's important that we get started with our pastry. This is a bit of a tricky part, but just follow along my hands and you won't get it wrong. To make the cheese triangles, we start off with one sheet of phyllo on a clean bench with the longer edge facing us. Brush this with melted butter and then layer another sheet on top of that. Proceed until you have a stack of 3 phyllo sheets, all of them brushed with butter. Cut out 5 vertical strips as I'm doing here. Each one should measure approximately 3 inches or 8 centimeters. Place 1 heaped tablespoon of the cheese mixture at the base of the strip and then press down lightly. Okay, I'm just speeding it up a little bit here. Fold across to diagonally form a triangle. Follow that by folding up and then continue folding until you keep the triangular shape. So it's basically, it is folding across, up and across again. If you find there are any scraggly bits or excess phyllo bits, that can be tucked in and just by brushing it with some extra butter. Continue until you've used all the remaining phyllo and filling. Place them on a baking tray, brush with butter. The final thing left is to bake them. You want to make sure that they come out golden and crunchy. And just like that, serve them warm and enjoy. Full and detailed recipe is available on my blog. I'll have a link in the description below.